Every pop-up drink stand owner should follow a simple daily rhythm of checking supplies, cleaning and sanitizing all equipment, confirming cash and card systems work, and doing a quick safety walk around before opening for the day. Think of your stand like a tiny restaurant on wheels, so everything needs a little checkup before you open, just like brushing your teeth before school. First, you want to look at your ice, cups, straws, and syrups to make sure you have enough for a busy day, because running out halfway through lunch rush means lost money. Next, you clean your counters, blenders, and any nozzles with hot soapy water, since drink stands can grow bacteria fast if sugary liquid sits around too long. Something most people never think about is that your ice bin needs cleaning too, not just refilling, because ice scoops and bins collect mold if nobody washes them for weeks. You also want to test your card reader and cash box early so you're not fumbling with a broken machine while customers are waiting in line. Finally, walk around your stand and check your propane connections, extension cords, and awning for anything loose or damaged, since safety problems are much cheaper to fix before they become emergencies. One mistake a lot of stand owners make is forgetting to log their inventory each day, so they end up guessing what to restock, and the fix is keeping a tiny notebook or a phone note where you jot down what you used. Another sneaky issue is not checking your generator or battery power levels every morning, because nothing kills a hot day of sales faster than losing power at noon. So always top off your charge the night before. People also forget to check expiration dates on dairy, fruit, or flavored syrup, so make it a habit to smell and inspect these each morning before you start blending anything. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.